Hello everyone, my name is RUFKHA, first year Computer Science and Engineering student. My product name is Coffee Maker. My company name is Home Appliances and the company logo is given below. Feedback collected during empathy. Coffee Maker is a home appliances used to brew coffee. Consistently brew perfect caps for decades. Voice controlled coffee ordering and delivery. Automated coffee cup detection and filling. Energy efficient design with low power consumption. Eco-friendly options. Define and ideate. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and the requirements of the customers, many new features are to be added to the existing products. Features to be added. The coffee machine uses a sophisticated brewing algorithm that ensures perfect caps every time. The machine's temperature control system maintains precise temperature, guaranteeing optimal extraction and flavors. The machine automatically adjusts the coffee to water ratio to ensure the perfect balance of the flavors. Futuristic product name is Automatic Coffee Maker. Prototypes. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.